呢度一定要小心，唔好咁大扯咪會斷呢個位。
Okay. Do not pull strong on this string because it's easily to be not usable if you pull too strong on this string here. Okay, you can use a little bit of alcohol. So what we're doing here now is to wash the volume wheeler, because sometimes the volume wheeler would suck in the dust and cause it to create the noise in the players, but it usually would happen for used for a long time. So right now we're adding just some alcohol onto the volume wheeler, and then as he adds the alcohol, he starts to roll the volume wheeler so that it washes it. So if you put alcohol, it would, be pretty fast to dry up, and after it dries up, then just install the player back, and then it should be done.